Good morning, friends. Today we are standing in front of Sir M. Vishwesvaraya Rainwater Harvesting Theme Park. This is maintained by BWSSP, the Bangalore Jalamandali. This is the one of its kind theme park in the whole country, which replicates all the rainwater harvesting systems. You would have seen here that in the paver blocks, in between the paver blocks, a lot of grass has been grown. Today what we do is, if we see everywhere, they put the paver blocks without leaving any space in between. So there is no percolation of the water taking place. Here you can see they have beautifully designed, wherein the space is left in between, which they allow to grow grass, so that the water falling on the surface can easily percolate, thereby not allowing the water to go to the roads. This is a fantastic, very simple methodology to have whatever the water falls on your compound can be percolated then and there. And it looks very beautiful also. If you see, it is looking so beautiful. Here you can see the whole path they have made like this, so that the water can percolate. Whenever the rainwater falls here, the water can percolate in this gaps, and it looks, they have put grass, so it looks beautiful also. Now coming to the rainwater harvesting, if you see, you have got a slope roof like this, then you can put the gutters so that you collect this water. This can be either PVC, or today we are getting in the HDP also. So these kind of gutters can be installed to collect the water. Please come. Here if you see, this is one of the oldest kind of roof rainwater harvesting filter, and probably the cheapest of all the roof rainwater harvesting filters available. Here you can see it is just a cloth side, and then whatever the water is falling here is collected at the bottom with a pot, and then this water can be reused. So this is one of the most ancient and one of the most cheapest kind of the rainwater harvesting filter. See, the concept of rainwater harvesting is to make the running water, walking water stop. So if you see, if you have got the open drains, they have put stones here. You can see that a lot of stones have been put here, so that whenever the water is flowing, this water can be stopped. You can make the water to flow slow. When the water is flowing slow, the water tends to percolate inside. So that is the reason we say make, whenever the rainwater is there, when it is flowing, make the running rainwater walk and walking rainwater stop, so that it can percolate. Here you can see we have extended the areas, so that if you have got areas, you can extend it so that the water can percolate inside. That is the reason. And if you have got surroundingly, if you have got enough areas, then you should see that you expand the areas of the collection and water percolating. There also you can see, even the pavers are made so that they have got gap in between. You can see the pavers also, they have got gap in between, so that they look beautiful. You can see that it looks like as if the grass have been laid fully, but they are the pavers in between, pavers with space in between, so that you can grow grass, and whenever the rainfall falls, the water can go inside, percolate inside.